In this video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Then go ahead and click on accounts. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on private account. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn on this. And you are done. With that, only people you approve will have access to your content and follow and watch your video in your TikTok account. It's that simple. And this won't affect your existing followers. This is only applicable to the prospective new followers. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about TikTok settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.